Hi, today we are diving into the exciting world of vector design using Figma. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of Figma and walk through the steps to create captivating vector art. First, to start off with the design, you need to download the asset from the description. But if you need to start with your own image, you can do that as well. In here, we are using a sample image because here we are trying to learn and improve our skills with vector arts for the first time. So let's start the design. First, I'm going to use the tools like pen tool, rectangle tool and other basic shapes to draw the sketch. So as you can see, I'm using pen tool to draw the part of this design, and in here I'm using ellipse tool to design the face and legs as well. And you can continue your drawing your sketch following the video. You may feel it takes so much time because you are designing this for the first time, but this is the least time consuming part of the design. And let's fast forward this part of the video till you're coming up with the sketch, and after that let's see what we are going to do in the next part of this design. I hope now everyone got into this part, which we have completed the Kirby. In the next part of the video, we are going to do the star sketch part. As you can see in here, I'm using pen tool for designing the star. Finally, we have our basic sketch. From this point, what we are going to do is improve our sketch with layer blur effects, shadows, and gradients to give more realistic look to our Kirby. In this part, I'm going to use some gradient effects on Kirby face and both of his arms, and to get more realistic looking in this design. And after I add these gradient effects, I'm going to use some layer blur effects to get more 3D look on his arms and face as well. In this part, you can see this is how I'm going to apply layer blur effect on his arm. Like, first of all, you need to just create a rectangle shape and add a color into it, and use the layer blur effect on Figma and give it a like a number that you think it would be great for this design. And you can follow the same steps as like previous to get a dark patch on Kirby hand, like, but you need to use a dark color on his hand and use the layer blur effect again and give it a great number what would be give you a good design. Now you can follow up the video to do the rest of the design, and I'll come in the next part that I think you may need more explanation. Till then, you can follow up the rest of the video. In here, I'm adding shading as I think, which would look nice on the design. But I recommend you guys to try to add shadings by yourself as well. As you can see in this part, I'm trying to add some shadows to eyes, so that we need to get a duplicate of his eyes and take a subtract from using Figma subtraction tool and add a white color and add some labeler effect and put it into the back of his eyes. I hope you guys managed to come up to this point, which we have done all the shadings of the curvy. In the next part, we do the same process to the star part to make it more realistic using shadow effects and labeler effects as well. In here, as you can see, I'm drawing some part top of the star to manage which part I need to do the shadings on the star. Like in here, I'm using pen tool and do some gradient effect and put some layer blur on those road areas. You can do the same steps around the corners of the star to shape out the star more realistically. Hopefully, I think you guys come till this point of the video and complete our vector design. I think this video was useful for you guys, and if you have anything need to know more about the design, add a comment or contact me through my social media.